All right, everyone, coming to you today from a range that just burnt down. We are shooting action pistol, all steel targets. So much fun, so fast. Can't wait for today. Check it out.
Shooter ready. Stand by. From the clear.
Just shot my first stage. It went well. I was doing fast. I was shooting accurately. I think I saw my red dot kind of bounce too much. So I got to hold on to the gun a little bit harder. Other than that, I'm having a great time.
Stand by.
Fuck!
Very good. Show me. Okay.
That's fun, right?
Yeah.
Just shot an amazing stage. I felt great about that. I was moving fast. I was shooting accurate. I knew where my shots were going. I loved everything about it. Keep it up.
Ready. Stand by. All right, slide down. 30-03.
Just finished another stage. It was amazing. I felt really good about it. I'm doing really well. I don't want to mess it up or jinx anything, so I just got to keep focused, hitting the targets, focusing on where my dot is, and just executing. I can't wait to see how I finish this day. Just finished another stage, didn't go as how I planned it. The first ladder messed me up, and then I kind of got off my plan. But not every stage can be perfect, but I'm trying to get as close as perfect as I can. Keep trying.
Ready. Stand by.
Fuck! Shit. So the last stage wasn't the worst, it wasn't the best. I'm trying to maintain my day today. I'm having an okay day. I was having a stellar day till the last two stages ago, but I'm trying to keep it up. Let's see how it goes at the end of the day. I want to get in the top at least 20 percentile of this match.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Just finished up the day. It was so much fun. I did okay. I don't know that I did really that great. Stages started really strong at the beginning, but then I fell off again. So I'll wait to see what my score was like. But shooting steel is one of the most fun things you could do. Peace.